Alright, this is the video that everyone has been waiting for. The finalization on my model, God Model 3.0, God Model finalization. Boy, I don't care what we're going to call it, but this is the final video to my model and how it works. Now, first things first, I just want to say everyone that watches my videos, I greatly and deeply appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate anyone who watches, anyone who sticks around to the end to explain me yapping, especially when again, I'm being totally transparent. I am not as profitable as all the other gurus online, but I do believe that the model I have found now is one of, if not the best, simple model on the market. And we will dive into that today with this video. And I will put a link to my Discord for anyone that's new, that's watching. First of all, please go watch the other videos that I made. The part 1 to my God model when I first discovered it. And then part 2, how I refined it and made it better in every way possible and got rid of a lot of things that I don't need in my A+ setup. And this one, where like I finalize everything for you guys. I explain in pretty good detail on how, again, how I enter with my trades, how my model works, and everything else. And for my Discord, it's again completely free. Nothing is charged. I do have I am starting a kind of like a mentorship kind of thing again. In the Discord, I specifically said I do not pressure anyone to buy it. I'm not going to force it upon anyone, and I'm not gonna be like the other gurus who don't sell anything that's free, doesn't like gives free bullshit. I'm gonna give you free things that actually work in my sorry, in my channel, in my Discord. Discord's completely free. Everything, all like basically everything is free there. There's nothing that's charged. The only thing that I'm charging right now is the one-on-one. That's only if you guys want to become my student. Again, I'm only doing 2 to 3 students right now to see how I do as a teacher, not just as like a way to make money. Again, I charge super low. So if you DM me about it on either Instagram or on Discord, I will text you about everything that I will cover when we do things. Like, again, I'm not gonna be like other mentors. Oh, watch a fucking video about the mentorship that you just bought, right? I'm gonna actually try to teach you guys what I know, how to become more profitable, and how to become more sustainable with again, trading prop firms or trading, personal accounts, XFAs, whatever, all that bullshit. Okay, and also, another thing is a lot of people DM me on Instagram about my videos saying, "Oh, Austin, you should add music. You should add more scripts. You should add all this." I don't. You know why I don't? I do this first take, one take only off my head. Do you know why? Because I think it's ingenuine if you make a script. Why? Because everything should be already memorized in your mind. Anyone that makes a script basically is telling you, "Oh, I'm writing a bunch of bullshit down for you. It might or might not work. I don't know because I haven't memorized it." Anyone that knows their model should, in my opinion, understand how their model works, when to enter, and when to take those trades, and when to not take those trades, And so that's why I don't do a script. I also don't do music in my video because I feel like a lot of videos that do music helps you like unfocus, They just want views. They want you to like go like, "Oh yeah, nice. The music works. These animations work, right? My video is really high scripted." I don't do that. Again, one, I don't feel like there's a need to do that. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm just trying to show you how my model works and like why I think it's really good for the market right now, and why it's like distracting. There's no point to it. I strongly believe there's no point to add any bullshit animations, anything else into your videos. Because, again, maybe they're higher quality, but I personally believe that it is not that great and it's super distracting when you have all these animations going around. Now, with all this being said, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Again, join my Discord, follow me on Instagram. If you haven't, personally send me a DM. I will try my best to reach out to every single one of you guys as soon as I possibly can. And yeah, let's get started with this video. So, God Model 3.0. Let's do it. 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 God Model Final or 3.0. Alright, now let's go. The first thing that we look for in my God model, first thing, the most important, okay? We're not even gonna look at any other bullshit. We're not gonna look at, how's the fucking weather or whatever bullshit that you guys do, okay, when you start trading. First thing is mental. Now, what do I mean by mental? Now, we're not gonna go like other traders. Oh, emotional. Let's go. Let's not fucking tilt. Let's not do any of this bullshit today. Let's, like, when we make money, no reactions. No, that's complete bullshit in my opinion. I always react when I hit TP. It is very satisfying and I love it, okay? I don't care what any of you guys say. I love it and that's how I'm gonna do it. So number one, I say it's mental. What I mean? Mental, as in getting yourself 1 hour, 30 minutes, or even 30 minutes, 15 minutes before. Get ready. Set your mind to, okay, when I'm in a trade, how is this going to go? Am I going to hold? Am I going to hold the whole way? When do I do my stuff to break even? Or do I look at book maps for other confluences, right? Now, 30 minutes beforehand, what I personally like to do is play jazz. Alright, I love to play jazz. Jazz music, coffee music, whatever bullshit that you guys don't care about, okay? I personally like listening to jazz. I think it puts my mind in a very good state, a very relaxed state. And when I go into a trade, I don't get worried, oh my god, it's gonna reverse. I don't do that. Because a lot of the times when I enter, especially this last 2 weeks, besides mental, my model has been almost 90%, except for last week opening market on Monday. My model has been 90%. 90% win rate. I've calculated it. I besides the mental part, it's only 90%. Because I put the other 10% as mental because why did I blow my funded account the other day? Or like last week? Because my mental was bad. I kept wanting to re-gamble all my money. And when your mental is bad, all you want to do is gamble. It's like playing Mines. Why is Mines so popular? Because everyone thinks you're gonna hit that 24x with one mine there. It's easy. It's quick money. There's no such thing as quick money when it's trading. Alright? So, first things we're gonna put is mental. Mental. Get oh fuck me. Sorry. Get ready for the day with a good mental state. Listening to calm music. Oh my god, my spelling is like a toddler. Alright, that's number one. Alright? Number one. What do we want for number two? Number two. One of my biggest things of all time as well. Look for your daily bias. Read the fucking news. Alright? Half of you guys don't look at the news. You know how easy it is to look at the fucking news? Go on something called Forex Factory. What do we see here? Next week. Let's look at Monday. I'm on Asia time right now. What do we see here? USA. Where's USA? Nothing. There's nothing. Look. Small news. Low impact news. Can we trade that day? Of course we can. Alright? It's not that fucking bad. I know half of the traders I know don't even look at news. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know how they're even trading, becoming profitable without looking at news. They just gamble news. Please do not gamble news. Don't be an idiot. Alright? And second thing, as well as to add on to that, you must, in my opinion, and my model at least, you must look at book maps. Again, what is book maps? Showing you where most buyers are, where most buyers are going to be, where orders are coming in, where orders are coming out. Buyers. Sellers. All right? Look at book maps. There's free book maps everywhere. You go on YouTube. I watch a lot of weird shit. I've been into Terraria recently, so I have a lot of weird shit. Look, see, my shit, all jazz, all jazz. All right, I love listening to jazz. Look, NQ. Look what I search up. It's already here. NQ Bookmaps Live. You hop on this. You look at it. Okay, you look at it. That's all you do. There's nothing much to it. All you do is just go on here, pick one, or like Where's that guy? I don't think he's alive right now, but pick one, and that's it. That's all you need to do. All right, that's all you need to do. It's not even that bad. All right, Bookmaps. Have Bookmaps open, please. Bookmaps and check for news. That's the second biggest thing ever. Notice how I haven't even gone into what my strategy is yet. Because if you can't get number one specifically, or number two down, you're not gonna be able to learn how to trade. Like, that's what beginner traders should look for, in my opinion. I don't think personally, I don't think trading is hard. Ergo, I traded options before and I made a decent amount of money off of options, but that was honestly just pure luck. My option contracts were all pure luck. Again, I have really great support from my parents who gave me a decent amount of money to start with. I'm not going to mention how much, but yeah, options was my first start. I've only been trading futures for almost 9 months. And again, 9 months may seem like a long time, but it doesn't. It flies by super quick. And I've taken out multiple profits. I've showed them on my Instagram. I've taken out multiple profits and stuff from Top Step a lot on Instagram too. So when I say that futures trading, especially trading, it's not that hard. One, there's a lot of stuff that you need to know beforehand, like especially these two things that I'm mentioning right now, because those are the two that many traders struggle with. Big Whale in my Discord, he still struggles with number one. I have to constantly remind him, and he knows this. If you're watching this video, Big Whale, you know what I'm talking about. We have to keep both of us in check, because sometimes when we take a bigger loss, right? When we take a dumb trade, we want to go back and chase the trades again. We want to keep going back, right? We want to bet more so we can make it all back. That's not how it goes. All right? That's not how it goes. That's not how we should be trading. Okay? Now, Big Whale has his own strategy, which I don't know if he wants to release it or not, but I'm personally releasing my strategy. Now, that, what I just said, goes into number one as well. Do not revenge trade. Do not chase. Do not chase. If we're pushing up, let it push up. Why are we chasing it? I see a lot of these TikTok motherfuckers. They think they're good at trading, but they're just chasing the continuation, and they're full porting everything. Like, what are we doing in this economy? All right, don't chase your fucking trades. All right. Now, number three, we're gonna start getting into what I do for my model. Number three, which is basically the model number one, besides Bookmaps and check for news and getting ready for the day. First things first, I am taking out a lot of ICT concepts, because personally, I do not fuck with ICT concepts. All right, you heard it first. You heard it from me. There's a YouTube guy called E-Man Trades. I love that guy. Everything's for free on his website, and he just makes so much sense. What do I mean? ICT is, in my opinion, it works sometimes and it doesn't work sometimes, especially in this market. I personally don't like it. Trading FEGs, IFEG, like, let me run through a fair value gap and then let me call it an inverse fair value gap and whatever bullshit, okay? I personally don't trade fair value gaps at all. I don't like it, and I just can't. I just can't with it. Every time I use a fair value gap, it doesn't fucking work. Personally, for me, if it works for you, great. Keep trading it. All right? Number three is I do not use that much ICT, and sorry, I forgot to add. Again, I'm doing this off of my head. And we need to find our own model. Find our own model. And find our own model. Reason I'm making this video is so some people might copy my model. Maybe it works, right? Many of you guys probably watching this video have already finished TGR's bootcamp. Why does TGR's bootcamp work so well? Because people like copying others. It's tested. It's easier, right? We as animals, I guess, we like to do things that are easier. Like, why is gambling so popular? Because it's quick money. Again, trading is not quick money. I came into the market on futures and options thinking that, oh yeah, let me just bet all in every single time. Let me full port my account and let's make quick money every time. We just need one flip. That's not how it works. Trading is just pure discipline. Trading, why I like trading so much, it focuses on your life too. You know, it makes you a better person. It makes you more disciplined, and I think that is very good. It teaches you how to become more patient too. You know, not so much the emotion part, but like just patient with like waiting. You know, all good things come when you have patience. You know, having a good mental. You know, helping out that homeless person maybe. You know, having a good day. That all helps with trading because again, trading is also a mental game. It's not fully a mental game. I'm not saying that's completely a mental game, but trading is a mental game. You have to know that, right? So that's part of my model. And again, some of you might see this video right now and go like, dude, he's just fucking yapping. Like, why are we just talking about all this bullshit and going off topic? Because I want you guys to succeed. I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes I'm making currently, even currently, to become more profitable than I am, to become more profitable as a community. That's the type of community I want to build. Not off of, not making it for money, not charging for discords and stuff, but making a community that's all profits. I love seeing when my friends, my closer trading friends, become more profitable. I love it. When everyone has a win, I'm very happy that day. I'm super happy. I'm excited for everyone. Everyone's making money. Why wouldn't I be happy? You know, all the boys are making happy. You know, making money, being happy. All right? So that's number 3. I do not use ICT that much, and I say find your own model. All right? Top 3 lines from me. All these things. All right? Now, be a good boy and write these down. Write these down. Chart it. I don't give a fuck what you do. Remember it. Listen to music. Think about book maps. Check for news. I don't use ICT that much. Find your own model. Alright? Find your own model. I think that's the biggest part. I can even remove ICT. Find your own model. Alright? Now, let's go into some charts. Let's look at some charts, boys. Alright? Thursday. We took Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. No, sorry. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We took every day. We took a trade. Now, let's look. Let's go on to Thursday. I think Thursday was one of my bigger trades. Now, I'm going to explain to you what I do first, okay? Pre-market, I look around, because I'm on Asia time right now, so it's 8 for me. It's 8:53. Now, what do I look first? First things first, I have Rise SMT. Who is this by? Bonka. I love Bonka. He goes to my school. I love that guy. But, no hate. I love you, Bonka, but you're kind of weird. You're kind of fucking weird. But it's okay. No hate. I love you. I have his indicator. Now, does his indicator help that much? No. I still use my own. But he has very good bottom tick indicators. Now, what am I looking at? I am currently looking at pre-market. What do we have right here? This is just one explanation before I get more in depth to it. This video will be kind of long, so please try not to skip, but I'll try to add some timestamps for you to look at. Now, what do I look at here? We push up on pre-market after London pre-market, right? Yeah, London post-market, sorry, London post-market. Off of this liquidity area that I have drawn, right? First things first, I look at this liquidity area. Now, keep in mind, I do go on higher time frame. I mark a lot of things on 1 minute because why? 1 minute has sniper entries. 1 minute has very good sniper entries. Now, pre-market, we look at pre-market for New York Open. I look at, okay, we're testing upwards. We're on an uptrend right now. Now, we're going right here, and I see a massive candle down. Okay, we retest this. Equal highs. We're getting constant equal highs. What does this mean to me? What does this mean? That means this market will chop right here if it comes down to it. I had the zone marked down here. I don't know why it's not here anymore. But anyways, we push onto the high, sweep that area. Sweep all the sellers who imagines, yeah, if you see this chop 3 times, you're going to go like, okay, it's going to go up here. We're going to chop again. No, we sweep it, then we push longs. Now, this is key thing that I'm mentioning. we sweep it, then we are pushing up longs, right? What we are targeting, what smart money is targeting. We are targeting the dumbasses who think we're gonna chop again up here. Who think we're gonna chop again up here. Oh yeah, let me just full pour my account and thinking that we're gonna go down here. Yeah, bullshit. Bigger banks, what are they gonna do? Fuck you. We don't care about you. We're gonna push down. We're gonna push up. We're gonna stop you out. Then we're gonna push up. That's why you see so many people. Why am I not removing? That way you see so many people on TikTok as well. Sorry, I'm kind of sick, so it's hard. That we see so many people on TikTok see this bullshit. Oh, I entered right here. Oh, and then I got stopped out, and then went exactly to my TP. Are we retarded? What are we doing? Right now, what do I want to see? Someone tell me what I want to see here. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. Well, now 5 seconds. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you know the answer right here, type it in the comments. All right. What I want to see is we retest this whole entire area. What? Why do we see a retest on this whole entire area? Because this area is the equal lows. Look, we can't push past this point. We can't push past this point. We cannot push past this point. See, even right here, we cannot push past this point. What I want to see, a retest, a retest down or further down into the area. What do I mean by that? This zone right here. Notice how me and Bonka have the same zone? Because we're goats. Now, I wanted to see market pulling down right here. Then, we're going to pull back all the way up. Either test or retest, right? Either sweep, a recent sweep, or to take out all the buyers. Or, we push back down here and we push up. See? Now, this is what we're looking at. Now, I have identified... I got on when it was already right here. So, I see this. I already identified it in like 5 minutes. Identify what I'm seeing. Now, sorry. I'm using this as an example. Jesus. I'm getting too loud. Now, what am I looking at here? When I got on around this area, I already saw we sweep a high, or we create a high. Right? Where is that high? Liquidity. This is where liquidity is at. What does market love to do? Market loves to target liquidity. Because the more liquidity there are there, the better. Right? Market wants people to buy. Market wants people to sell. Well, not really, but market wants people to buy. Okay? Now, what do I think in my mind with my model? We are going to come back up. Now, why are we going to come back up? Because market likes to target liquidity. I have this zone right here. Why do I have this zone? Because this is a key area for the previous chop. Again, previous chop, we chop, and then we strike down. See what I mean? And this is also a part where we swept Asia highs. We took out Asia highs. Now, seeing this, we're going to retest down. How many candles is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A lot, okay? A lot of candles. What do we do when we test the zone? We wait for a fucking hammer candle. What does a hammer candle look like? Half of you nitwits don't even know what a hammer candle look like. Monkeys don't even know what a hammer candle looks like. And I can't draw a hammer. Hammer candle. It's either like this, or it's either like this. Hammer candle. Now, I want to see a bullish hammer candle here. What do I see? For a bullish I want to see a bullish candle to happen. I see this. I see the small candle. Why? Why do I enter off of here? 1. It's green. It's green. Which means we are rejecting. We're going to start rejecting. Where do I enter? Second candle. Again, I should have put it right here because I do a lot of bullshit when I'm doing shit. I enter off of right here. Why? Because I'm testing it. Stop loss. Notice how my stop loss is 10 points right below the zone. Because if we push even further, I know the market is going to keep pushing down. But I know this is a key area where price does not want to push. Look, why is it a key area? We strike all the way up to newer highs. We're creating higher highs in pre-market. We're creating higher highs. What does that tell me? That tells me that the market is less likely to go down and get more likely to become bullish to test into the high. Now, originally my TP was at the middle, right here, but I moved it because bookmaps. Again, I look at bookmaps a lot. Bookmaps showed 60, 70 orders around this area right here, this key area. Now I changed my stop loss, but I didn't think that we're gonna keep pushing up throughout the day. And do I need to even take a trade within the day? No. But look, what if we did? All right, what if we looked for another trade? What would I look for? I look for a retest down into this area, key area right here. Market open, we chop down. That's where liquidity is at. That's where people want to buy. All right. So let's go back into here. Let's go back into here. For my model, techniques. Let's name it techniques. Technicals. I don't fucking know how to spell. Technicals. Number one, what do we look for? We look for where is liquidity. Liquidity. Where's liquidity resting? Where's order blocks? Right? Where all those bullshit at? Some people, again, pre-market, right? They might think this is an order block. Oh, yeah, we're going to retest this. It's an order block. We're going to short all the way down here. Boom, stopped out at break even. Why? Because it's bullshit. We're going to want to keep pushing up throughout the pre-market, before market opens. We're going to set it to a higher high. What are we doing? Right? Especially if that day we're trying to push through all-time highs, which we do. That's what I mean. Number one, where is liquidity? Liquidity. Now, I do use, let me just name every single one first before I start. Number two, what do I do? Supply and demand. That's all you fucking need. Realistically, these two are all you need to become profitable in trading. This is why this model is so simple. There's no way you can't get it within 2 months. If you can't get it within 2 months, DM me. I will literally help you for free. I don't understand how someone cannot get this in 2 months. It is so, like, after me explaining it, it's gonna get so easy. All right. Supply and demand. What do I mean? Supply and demand. Go on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, shit. I'm gonna lose where I was at. Okay. Jesus Christ. Go on the 4-hour time frame. I use mine as yellow. I just like it like that. Again, I drag my own because, again, I'm always changing like what I need. So now, last time, what the fuck? Why did I long here too? Why did I long towards? I'll go back here later. But I took a long here. Look, as you can see, took a long 51 points. Very good, very high. Why? What are we testing here? What do we see? That day, uno, dos, tres, three taps on the 4-hour indicator. What does that mean? That means this area has so much liquidity we cannot sell past, which is a good zone, which is a W zone. A W zone, all right? This is a A+ zone. Now, we want to look for supply and demand with 3 tap-ins. Jesus fucking Christ. 3 tap-ins. A lot of taps, all right? A lot of taps. I should be removing this one. I don't know why I have this one in here. That one's gone. All right, look. How many taps? Let's read. 1, 2, 3. Maybe a 4 on this one. Maybe a 4. Opening market was super low, right? Why do I have a super low one here? Liquidity. That's where we have it at, all right? Now, how do you want to do this? You want to refine it. You want to refine it as soon as possible. This still counts. Why? This still counts because of previous highs, and we ran through it super quick. As long as it ran through, pause. As long as it ran through, it doesn't fucking matter. You can keep using it. It's very good. Now let's refine it. Let's go on to the hourly. 1 hour. Oh, what do we see here? 4 hour, 1 hour line up. Huh? No way. No fucking way. I wonder how that happened. Because I refined it. This is an A plus zone. If I see price quickly move through this zone, I know we're going to keep selling. We're just going to keep selling. There's no even point in trading it. Because I know we're going to keep selling through this. Right? Now, all these other zones, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. We chop, go up, come back down, retest the high. Very key areas. Liquidity, as you can see. Alright, supply and demand on a 1 hour, 4 hour chart. What, again, let me repeat just in case if any of you faggots didn't fucking get it. Alright? Sorry. I don't care. I don't care if I'm using the word faggot. I don't care if I'm using the word retarded. I don't care. Alright? I do not care. Cancel me all you want. Number 1. We want to look for areas where we keep testing it with high liquidity area. High liquidity zones. 1. Uno. Dos. Tres. Very good liquidity. Look at this. This is A+. Look at this. We want to sell. We can't sell. Market doesn't let you sell. Market doesn't want you. Market does not want to keep going down. So what do we mean by that? What do we want? That means this area is so good that if you bottom ticket and you long all the way here, brother, like, it's just like, my brother, you're getting a 400 point RR trade, okay? Alright, so that's what I'm saying. We first go on the 4 hour. What the fuck? Someone's fucking yelling. Sorry. We go on the 4 hour first to see where we're tapping in. I'll give it a zone to you guys. This is, again, a very good 2262 to 585. Very good zone. Alright, we first go on the 4 hour, then refine it under the 1 hour and check the 30 minutes and check everything else. See, 30 minute lines up as well. This is an A+ setup. A+ zone. Alright, so that's how we use supply and demand. Very easy, very light, very simple. Okay, very simple. Alright, now we have identified both things. 2 things. How can we make this model even better? But Austin, I don't know. I don't know how to trade if we're not in between zones or we're not inside the zone. Get the fuck out of here. This is where number 3 comes in, boys. Number 3. Sorry. Get the fuck out of here. I can't trade because my zones aren't there and I have too many zones there. Which one do I trade? Bullshit. If you're doing it properly, well, I'm teaching you how to do it, you're gonna get profitable. You're gonna get it. Alright? Number 3. Go on the 1 minute. Identify highs, lows. Don't even identify chops. Okay? Now, what do I mean? What do I mean? What do I mean? Liquidity. Right here. Liquidity. This is Thursday. Liquidity. Alright? Where's this? Asia high, Asia low. Also liquidity. Look, what do? We tap into the low and we keep pushing down. Even though it's chopped, we keep pushing down. Alright? But I wouldn't take those trades. I never take those trades. Okay? What is this? Liquidity. Also liquidity. Look, New York AM. Fuck. Sorry. I'm being retarded. New York AM, New York PM. Let's go back and look. New York AM, New York PM. What happens? What happens? Pre-market. What the fuck happens? Pre-market. Sweep. Easy sweep. What happens right here? Pre-market sweep. You can mark down this too. I wouldn't. But you can mark down this too because we retested this part. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit balls. We retested it too. Again, this is example of liquidity. What happens here? Why do I say I don't want to trade this? Because it is too close to our bottom, more supportive liquidity where market wants to go. What happens here? Let's see. Boom. Tap into this liquidity. We don't get filled. If you know we're not going to get filled here, and we create a fucking... Oh my god, I was about to say it. We create a hammer candle on Friday, which I wouldn't... Why don't... It's 4th of July. Why would you even trade on Friday? What are we going to do? We're going to push the fuck back up into our opening range. Of course. Of course. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Look it. Where does market want to go? Where's all this? Where does all of this fucking order block? Where is it? It's not that hard. Where is it? It's all right here. You set TP below this. Where does the market home? Boom, TP. Is it that hard? No, I don't think so. Look what happens when you bottom tick this bullshit. 42 points in like 5 minutes. What do? We make easy money. Right? Look, we chop up here too. Look, go in for a short right here. I don't give a fuck. Go in for a short right here. All the way down. Oh, what happens? Oh, we almost get there. But we don't. Again, if you take one trade and it's that good of a trade, why would you even take another trade? Okay? Part of the mental. It's part of the mental. Why would we even trade? Money is money. Y'all acting like we need to hit $5,000 per day. Y'all acting like you making $5 million a day. You're not. Money is money. $10 is money. $5 is money. Okay? $1 is even money. What can you buy in this economy with the dollar? I don't know. I truly don't know. But, again, $1 is money. Alright? Number 3. What do we say with number 3? 1 minute, scout, and hunt for liquidity. That's my number 3. That's it. That's all we look for. Now, since all of you motherfuckers go like, where's my ICT concepts? I need ICT or else I need my daddy ICT or else I'm gonna die. I need my daddy ICT or I'm gonna die. Here's some ICT concepts that I use regularly. What do? CISD. Number 4, I'm putting these both because I hope I don't even have to go into it because, one, you can search them up, and my voice is dying, and this video is getting way too long for me to explain. Sorry. Number 1, CISD. Number 2, CISD. High time frame SMT. High time frame SMT. That's the only one that works. Don't go on 1 minute. Don't be a dumbass. Don't be a fucking idiot and tell me, Austin, it didn't work. And I ask you, were you on the 1 minute SMT? And you say yes, I'll kill you. I'll physically come to your house. I'll touch you. Hopefully you're over 18, so this doesn't sound weird. Alright. High time frame SMT. That's the only 2 things I use. I don't use fair value gaps. I don't use inverse fair value gaps. I don't use a lot of bullshit. And that's it. This is the 4 things, the 4 technicals of my model. Isn't it easy? It was that easy. It was that fucking easy, right? Now, if you got to this point of the video, congratulations. I love you. I'll give you a kiss if I see you in person. I don't care if you're a man. It's not gay. Again, I don't hate gays. I love them. But if we see this and you tell me 2 months later, Austin, I'm not profitable off of this, your model does not work, you're doing something wrong. Either my model doesn't work for you, it works for me. It works for other people that I've taught. It works for them. Maybe it's just you. Again, this model isn't for everyone. This model is for people that are patient, people that believe that taking trades every day is kind of useless because you don't need to take a trade every day. You don't need to. I typically go from the 9:30 open range to 10:30 maximum. And if there's no trades there, we stop. We don't trade. Right. I will do a live stream soon, hopefully, for you guys that want to see this model in action. I will be streaming on YouTube, which is the good part. But yeah, this week, on my funded, or my funded and my eval, we are up 2,500 this week. It's pretty good. It's pretty good for this fucking model. Last week I was up a lot until my mental was bad because I kept gambling on poker. So, what do I need to tell you guys? Now, this is where the summary comes in. Again, I know this video is long and it's just half of the time it's just me yapping, but I do give very good examples on why these things work and my model is that good. My model is just that good, you know. I love TJR, but do I think he's better than me? No. Do I think if I had the amount of money that he had, I would make more? Definitely, definitely. If he gave me if he gave me $100,000, I'll flip it into 1 million. Ah. Jokes aside, let me go over this one more time. Technicals for my model. Number one, where is liquidity? Okay, examples again. I'll give you guys one more example. Liquidity, big candle, and then we diddy down. We diddy down. See, a lot of diddy candles. This area is a key area. This is a key area for liquidity. This is very good. I would long here up until here, until bookmap showed. But this is very good. We sweep that area. That is very good. Because this area right here, we chop, sweep of liquidity, then up. This is a very good key area. Liquidity right here. Liquidity. We look for these big candlesticks, or we look for areas where we see a lot of retest. Okay. Number two. Supply and demand. I went into very detail about that. Go back in the video if you want to watch it again. Supply and demand. 4-hour time frame. Check it. 2-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. Check it. 30-minute time frame. Check it. Boom. Go on the 1 minute. Wait for that zone. Long or short. See how the market reacts. Right? Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah. Number 3. 1 minute hunt for scout and liquidity. Hunt or scout for liquidity. Again, number 1 and number 3 are the same thing. Why do I say the same thing? Because they are. It's literally that simple. I don't have that much to teach you. Everyone, like, bro, all the other gurus go like, you need to do this. They have like a bunch of fucking models for you. They're like, oh, opening range 30 minutes. Check this candle. How easy it is. Bro, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's a 60% win rate. It doesn't work. This is 90%. 2 weeks of this. 2 weeks of being green. I wish I had Top Step right now, which I'm not using because I don't like Top Step anymore. I use Take Profit Trader. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is my GOAT. I love Take Profit Trader. Easy, except for the intraday drawdown, but they're currently changing that, which I love. Shout out to them. I love them a lot. Yeah, these two are the same because they're that easy, bro. They're literally that easy to look for. If you want to make money in trading, just look at these two. Where is liquidity? It took me 9 months. A whole ass baby can come out of you to understand where liquidity is. And I'm teaching it to you. I'm telling you now that if you just look for this, you will become profitable. If there's nothing there that day for an hour, get the fuck off your charts and go jerk off and goon. Goon all you want for the rest of the day. I don't care what you do. Alright? Some of you weirdos love to goon. Just do whatever the fuck you want for that day. If 1 hour in, stop looking at it. Stop. Just stop. Get the fuck off your chart. Alright? Get the fuck off. I will hack into your computer to make you get off your goddamn chart. My VPN's being weird. Alright? And then number 4. ICT concepts that you guys all like. ICT this, ICT that. Fuck off. CISD, higher time frame S&T. And that's reloading. Ah, my god. It's so hard. It's so hard being sick. I hate it. Go back, please. Please. There you go. Okay. Higher time frame, SMT, CISD. You can look at that yourself. You should be familiarized with ICT concepts. That's the first thing you guys ever learned. I know everyone learns ICT concepts, so I'm not gonna even explain it. Alright, video is getting way too fucking long. It's gonna be like an hour long. Holy shit. Now, God model final. What are we looking for? Again, what are the 3 things I look for before we even get to technicals and begin trading? Number 1, mental. Have a good mental. Oh my fucking god. I swear to god, if it reloads one more time, I will crash out. I will crash out on this fucking Wi-Fi. Okay, there you go. I'll go over this really quick. Number 1, get ready for the day with a good mental state. Listening to calm music for me works. Doesn't work for everyone. Maybe it's too distracting. Listen to good mental state. Listening to good music. Listening to calm music helps me. Keeps me in check. Also, having a trading buddy also works. Okay? Your trading must be patient. I forgot to add. Be very patient, please. All right, patience is the biggest thing. I don't even care about your mental. Just be patient. You don't have to take a fucking trade every day. You don't have to trade every day. Remember, you don't have to trade every day. All right. Number 2, book maps. Please use book maps. Super easy to tell where liquidity is. I know people that still don't use it because they're idiots. Please use book maps. Check for news. Don't be an idiot. And use your own model. Find your own model, please. Please find your own model. Copy this model if you don't have your own model yet. But I highly suggest check your own model, please. That's it. That's it. I hope everyone has a great day after watching this video. If you got this far, congratulations to you. I love you. And send me a DM on my Discord if you made it to my video to the end. I'll give you a big kiss. And yeah, join my Discord if you haven't yet. Everything's for free. I will be picking one student for free, and then the rest will be some. I don't know. We'll discuss pricing later, but it's not gonna be expensive. I promise. It's a one-time payment. It won't be a monthly bullshit. It's gonna be completely free, and I will be teaching you one-on-one for about like an hour every time you request it. You can request to talk with me whenever after you buy it, so you know that's a good thing. And follow me on Instagram. I will link it. Follow me on Instagram to keep yourself updated. I will be dropping another video soon about my clothing brand that I'm building with the community and with you guys. So hopefully, if you learned something from this video, congratulations on your road to becoming profitable. I hope you become profitable. Join my community so I can give you a high five. And if you aren't profitable yet, stay safe, keep trading, and if your parents don't support you in trading, go get a job because trading is definitely worth it in my opinion. All right, so that's the biggest things I think I have to say for everyone that is watching. And again, congratulations if you made it this far. I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you guys have a wonderful lifetime, and I will be dropping my second model soon after I refine this one a bit more and make it even better and make it hopefully a 95% win rate after this one. And I hope you guys become more profitable than me. Have a good day, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.